Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. What do you think of this one? This one just came back from paint, and it has the wow factor. You're going to be noticed wherever you go if you've got a paint job like this. Talking about being ready for Halloween. We're going to take a peek inside. Tell us what you think. This is a 16-foot garage. It's got a side patio. Absolutely beautiful. Going to take a peek inside. It's got the cherry wood half bath in the garage with a full bath up front. Absolutely beautiful. What do you think? This is still in the construction phase. That's what we're all about here. This is what we do. We construct luxury fifth wheels, luxury toy haulers with you in mind. Personalization is what we're all about. Check out this cabinet. This is something different. The washer and dryer is back here in the garage. How ingenious. Real backsplashes. Absolutely beautiful. And that's not a 24-inch, that's a 30-inch range. Gonna go up here, take a peek. There's your full bath. And because we've got the washer and dryer in the garage area, you've got lots of storage up here, because the washer and dryer is normally sits right in here. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.